Alright, today I'm going to be making venison chili. I'll be using the Instapot. So I've got the Instapot warming up right now so I can brown my venison. I've got green pepper, jalapeno, and onion. Got some coriander, cumin, chili powder, and oregano. Salt and pepper for garnish. I'm going to put 2 cans of beans in. I don't know if I'm going to put all 3 cans of tomatoes in yet. I'll see if I need the third one. But alright, to get started, I'm going to brown my meat. I didn't mean to dump my onions in here, so I'm going to try to take those out. I want to brown those with my meat. Alright, I'll let that brown for a little while. While I'm waiting for my meat to brown, I'll open up my cans of beans. Get my garlic ready. Alright, let's check on this meat and see how it's doing. It's browning. There's still a little pink though, so I'm going to let it go just a little bit longer. I think I'll add a little salt and pepper. I only put a little bit of pepper in because I'll be adding more pepper when I add the rest of the seasonings. So I'll give this about 5 more minutes. Alright, there we go. It's all brown now. Now I want to drain it. Alright, now that I got all that browned and drained, I'm going to add my green pepper, my jalapeno, and the rest of the onion. I'll put a little more salt and pepper in there. Now I'm going to start adding my seasonings. I'm going to start with coriander. Put 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of oregano. A 1/4 cup chili powder. Perfect. A few cloves of garlic. It's the only garlic I had, so I'm gonna have to put some more of this in too. 1 tablespoon of cumin. There we go. Alright, now I want to add my tomatoes. I am going to need this third one. Two cups of beef broth. Now I'm going to put in 1 can of black beans, 1 can of red beans, already rinsed, and stir it up really good. Alright, now we have everything mixed in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the top on it. For 20 minutes. We're going to let it pressurize for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll let it depressurize and then check on our chili. Right after pressure cooking for 20 minutes. Looks like the pin dropped, so it's safe to open. Let's see how it came out.